Hi, welcome back. My name is Rachel, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to remove green screen from your video using CapCut video editor. So let's import the project we want to work on. This is the project we're working on.
Google Docs, keyboard shortcuts for productivity.
That clip. Now let's import the video that has green screen, so we'll be adding it as an overlay. We click on overlay. Let's import our green screen. Here is our green screen. We add that. So let's remove the green screen. So to remove the green screen, you come below here once you add the overlay and click on the Chroma key. Once you click on the Chroma key, the color stuff you see on the screen is a color picker. So you take the color picker to the green side of the screen. Once you take it, you click on intensity and increase the intensity to 100. You see that, you check it. Once you play that, you will see that the green screen is off. So let's click out. Now you can now position the subscribe bell where you want it to be, which part of your video you want it to be positioned. Let's squint that again. You pinch with both hands to reduce the size. So let's drag this and put it somewhere where the video started. Let's play that. So you get the picture. So to add animation to how let's increase that more larger. Let's keep it here. So add animation on how the video comes in. You click on the video, you click animate in. If you want it to slide up, yeah, it's going to do that. So let's see how it does. Yeah, that's basically the tutorial. So check out this video here to see how I created this subscribe button on CapCut. Thank you so much for watching, and do have a good one.